So Esha Girl just released 3 new amazing products, and I'm gonna be here to show you guys how to use it. First, we're gonna be starting with the Esha Garden Grip Primer. The Garden Grip Primer is very important for any install. It cleanses and protects the hairline from any adhesive that you would use, like lace tape or lace glue. And it's infused with collagen and other vitamins that are really good for your skin. Just like we need a primer for makeup, we need a primer for our hairline. So let's get into the application process. So first, we're gonna need a cotton ball or a cotton pad, whatever you have in your house, and the product, and we're just gonna spray just enough, and we're gonna apply it to our hairline, and we're gonna be removing all the impurities, the makeup, and all the dirt from our hairline so we can have a flawless install. This also creates a thin barrier, which is really good for the skin, and it helps the frontal adhere to the adhesive way better. After that, we're going to let it dry for a little bit so we can move on to the next step. Next, we have our Esha Fusion Lace Bond, which is a personal fave. It has collagen, biotin, and vitamin B complexes, which improve skin elasticity, it helps with hair growth, and it prevents inflammation. The product will withstand heat, humidity, and it's also water resistant, so nobody's gonna snatch your wig, honey. Now that the Garden Grip Primer has fully dried, I'm gonna apply the adhesive. Let's get into the application process. So to start, we're gonna apply a very thin layer of product around our hairline. I use tiny dots because that works best for me. So usually we wait about 30 seconds to a minute, and as you can see on this side it's blue, which means that it's starting to dry, and on this side it's clear, which means it's ready to apply. So for this process, I made sure that I used the tip of the applicator instead of using my fingers because dirt and oils can really affect the adhesive from adhering correctly. So now our look is complete, and now I feel complete. But I do have one tip. Before styling or adding any products to your hair, be sure to wait 5 minutes because if you don't, it can affect the adhesion. I used the Esha Fusion Lace Bond to get this unit on, but I'm ready to take it off. So we're gonna use the Esha Citrus Remover. First, we're gonna spray a generous amount along the hairline. Then, we're gonna massage the product into our scalp and our unit, and we're gonna let it marinate. Be sure to let it stay here for 5 minutes or more because we wanna be sure that there's no adhesive anywhere on the lace or on our scalp. Also, it's a food grade scent, so 1, it smells amazing, and 2, it's sensitive skin friendly and has a lot of vitamins, so it's really good for your hair. Now that we've waited our 5 minutes, as you can see, my lace is lifting, which means we're free to take the unit off seamlessly and easily. Now that we have our unit off, you can use some more of the product and apply it to your lace to make sure there's no adhesive left over on your unit. I am gonna go use a clarifying shampoo of my choice so that I can make sure there's no residue left over on my head.